Okay. Good people. Yes, welcome to the weekend analysis. It's another weekend, and yeah, so I'm going to share analysis on gold. Now, this will be for the 5 days of the coming week. Now, from 9th of October to 13th of October. So it is just an overall projection of the market. And actually, you have to do your own analysis and also watch analysis from other traders in order to get confluence, or at least to understand what other traders are expecting now on gold. And also, I do what to call the top-down analysis, and it's just a very short video, a less than 15 minutes analysis. So just I will be breaking down the market structure from the monthly time frame to the 4-hour time frame. But for the purpose of this analysis, I'll be adding the 1 hour and 30 minutes. So at least to get details of what I'm looking forward immediate on opening of the market. So let's go quickly and start with the monthly time frame. So this is monthly chart. So now in monthly time frame, actually, now last month closed the very serious bearish momentum, and now this month continued. Now it opened with continuation of bearish momentum, but now there's a sort of rejection now taking place now. Now this happened on the last day of the week, that's a Friday. So on Friday we have seen some pullbacks. So actually this pullback has happened or has occurred at the level. So there's a level down here. So let me turn on my drawings and wave count, so at least to see what is happening exactly. So we have got the level down here. So this rejection is taking place at the level that previously supported the price now in 3 months consecutively. So that's very powerful. So basically that is what we see in monthly time frame. And now at the same time, now this rejection here, now this rejection at this level is within a Fibonacci retracement. So you see, if we measure, we run a Fibonacci tool from the beginning down there to the upside. So retracement of this move. So you'll find that now price is moving around. Now it is between 50 and 61%. So these are the very key levels where we always expect the price to return. Now I mean to reverse and continue in a primary direction. So that's just an overall a Fibonacci level, but all in all, a triangle idea remains the same. So we see this movement to the downside. So it's just in a completion of wave E. So now does this maybe mean that price will supposed to continue pushing to complete this wave E to this lower channel, or it is going to turn just straight from this region? So anything is possible, but in lower time frames, I'm going to provide an exact probable direction. So above here, I have this level. So this level supported the price now 3 months consecutively, and now the last month broken the level. So currently we are trading below this level. So this has something to do with the price movement in the coming week. So let's quickly go to weekly time frame and see what is happening in weekly time frame. So now basically the triangle idea remains the same, but in weekly time frame we see a descending channel. So I've been talking about descending channel now several months back, because it has been several months now price has been running through the channel. So even last week I talked about even in my last analysis I talked about the channel, and now price respected very well and moved strongly to the downside. So now that is powerful. So basically we're looking forward for price to hit the lower channel. So we're looking forward for price to hit the lower channel, but now we have started seeing sort of rejections at this level. So does this mean maybe price is going to reverse straight from this level without hitting the channel, or will it resume and hit the channel to the downside? So anything is possible. We have to keep eyes on the analysis. Now in lower time frames, I'm going to provide an exact possible price movement coming. But remember, we have this level down here where price has already respected, but we're still looking for a gap here be filled to the downside now to hit this lower channel. So anything is possible, but in a 4-hour time frame, 1 hour and 30 minutes, I'm going to provide an exact direction that is very powerful. The broken level is here. You see last month and week broken the level. So price has not yet retested the broken level. So this is powerful. We have to expect something with the upward movement in order to touch or to retest the broken level. That is powerful. So before I move to daily time frame, we can have highlight of the news. So remember, what I'm doing here is a technical analysis. I don't provide the fundamental. So make sure that you do a study on the fundamental, the influence of the news. So next week from 9th to 13th of October. So we don't have news on Monday because it is a US holiday. So we have holiday in the United States. So yeah, it will be a clean day. So let's expect very slow movement on Monday. But now the rest of the days, now we have a mix of high impact and medium impact news. So let's expect very serious movements, especially during the release of CPI news. So make sure that you stay on tune and maybe stay out of the market during those news hours, or maybe you can protect your profits if you're already on the trades. And if you are a fundamentalist, you can capitalize through trading those news release. That is very powerful. So now quickly in daily time frame, we can see what is happening now in daily time frame. Actually, now we see clearly the running channel. So price is moving within a channel that is powerful, marked in white. But basically the overview shows that now price is moving down in a 3-wave moves that defines a WXY pattern. So currently we have an overall pattern of a WXY. So currently price has completed wave, is in completion of wave Y to the downside. So has it yet completed or not? Actually, as I continue with the analysis, I'm going to give highlight of this thing here. So basically we see at this level now on Friday price reversed upside with a stronger bullish momentum. So now this indicates that at this support now buyers have already come in. So how far they are going to push price now in a 4-hour time frame, I'm going to provide the direction on how those buyers are going to push price up. So that's powerful. And also we can see something here. So we can see something here. Price is looking forward to hit this one, as I said, in weekly time frame. There's a possibility of price now coming back to hit this level here. So why price is most likely to hit this level? Because as I said at the beginning, price must retest this level because it was broken, and at the same time we have this running channel, so price will be moving to hit this upper channel. So basically when the price is below this channel, will be now from here we will be buying, but those are the short-term buys. But when the price is this level, we'll be looking for a possible reversal to the downside or break of this level and continue buying. So once the price is above the box and this running channel, so we'll be full up. We'll be full up when the price is around 1898 or it is 19 something. Now 1900 and above will be looking bullish. But when the price is below this level, we can expect selling. So we can expect some sales opportunity to be taken here. That is powerful. That is powerful. So quickly in 4-hour time frame. So in 4-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame. So basically in 4-hour time frame, what I can say, we see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 the downside, and the price completed the 5th wave in a diagonal. Now we have a sort of diagonal here. So maybe let me go to hourly time frame. As I said, so in hourly time frame we see a diagonal thing. So this was now from here, this was 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside. So it is something like this. So price completed those 5 wave moves in a diagonal form, and finally it has broken and now is moving outside of the diagonal. So now this indicates that this movement to the downside has been completed. So we are looking up now. So are we in a corrective mode, or we are straight now trending to the upside? So this is something that is going to be known in a coming week. Now let me go to 30 minutes, maybe, yeah, like this. So maybe you see in a 30 minutes time frame we can have this outlook. Now price is moving up in a 1 2 3 4 5 up to this place here. Price completed 5-wave move, so this current movement is in a corrective mode. So basically, how are we going to trade next week? So basically, next week, let me move down again to 15 minutes. I want at least you to show something here. So now this is clear now, you see. So it is a clear 1 2 3 4 5, a diagonal move. So after completion of those 5 wave, we see a sideways movement. So basically what we have to expect next week, now we have to expect this. Now price may, from here now, price may push to the downside to this level here, to this broken channel. Price may push down to this broken channel. That is possible. And actually it will be pushing to this level in formation of this A. Now this was A, so currently is completing B to the upside, then C will be down here. So we're looking for the possible ABC. And if you run a Fibonacci retracement for this move to the upside, now this is around, it is between 50 and 61%. That is very powerful for price to come here. So now next week, let's watch price moving to around 1820. Around 1820. So when the price is around 1820, we can be now watching for buy opportunities. We can now be watching for buy opportunities. So we only have this opportunity to risk now before we have identified an exact direction. So if price will continue moving down and break beyond this previous swing low, so actually I'm going to provide an update because I have got an alternative direction, alternative wave count that may suggest a possible continuation to fill the gap, because we had a gap in higher time frames. So possibly price may continue moving down to complete or to fill that gap I said. But basically watch for buys from the 1820 and we'll be riding up as I said. Let me go to 4-hour time frame. So yeah, we will be riding up, you see, because I'm looking forward for price to keep on pushing to the upside up to this upper channel. So you can just trade up to around 1870. You can just take profits around 1870 or any point now 1860 in any way. So it's just based on you, but basically I expect the price to continue pushing up to the upper channel, and this will be around 1880 something there. So that is powerful. So let's trade in that way next week. And for any updates or any other questions and anything, actually in the Telegram channel, so the link in the video description, so you can join a Telegram channel where we share updates and some discussions. If you have further discussions, just we do it in a Telegram channel, or you can write in the comment section also. That is helpful. So thank you for your time. Make sure that you like this video, put a comment if you have any question, and also share this video if you think it is useful. And if it's just your first time visiting this channel, make sure that you subscribe and also you turn on notification. So thank you for your time and have a powerful weekend.